Uh, man, if you got one of these quattroportes or probably any of them cars around this area, this is a 07, so around that time, and your emergency brake is doing this. Now I got a million lights on it, John, like a slot machine, but she run pretty good. But if that John doing, I gotta fix this with the button. That John still ain't doing nothing. But if you wanna, that shit stay on, man. If you wanna get that shit off, man. This your module thing. I'm gonna look at this when I got some time. Maybe go pick up one if I can find one. Or let this one dry out. It was a bunch of water in here. And I'm pretty sure that's what caused that. And look how much water it done broke the thing. Dang. But you can unplug it. And it'll stop making that noise till you can fix it. Because it obviously ain't working nowhere if it's making that noise. I just figured I'd share that.